was a great honor for Rabindranath World School to host a musical workshop at the school auditorium on the 8th of October, presided by Professor Gerald Wirth of Austria. He is the president of Vienna Boys Choir and has won the Grammy Award twice. Rabindranath World School, Music Institute of Chromatics have got together to create and provide a sound musical education platform in the school and gradually promote the program across other schools. Professor Wirth unleashed his energy as he conducted some fun exercises with the students present, school owners, parents and principals present. When asked, this is what he had to say about his trip to India.
Well, I'm very happy that I have a very new, exciting collaboration here with the Music Institute of Chromatics on the one hand, and now starting with the Rabindranath World School, which I think is very exciting for many reasons for me. I feel that it's very important for any child in the world to have access to music education. We know nowadays from brain research, every school in the world should put music as the most important subject in the school. The Wirth Method is a method of general music education, rhythm training, harmony, counterpoint, melody and also sound, always connected with the singing. I believe very strongly that every child in the world is a musical child, and every person in the world can sing. I think it has proven me correctly many times. The message to the children is that it not only is a pleasurable thing to do, it's a fun thing to do, but it helps us with languages, it helps us with social skills, it helps us with personal aspects, what we call the soft skills in the world of business.
The event saw enthralling performances by a very talented group of blind musicians and the Delhi choir. It was very inspiring and motivating to have Professor Gerald with us, who plans to make music a fun and healthy trend amongst the young students of the city.